स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ मोशिप शेयर फॉल 8% आफ्टर announcing Q3 result. Check the details. Synopsis with a profit fall of 63% YoY. This rise is 3,700 crore. Market cap stock has seen its share fall by 8% soon after it announced its Q3 financial year 26 result. The same stock has given a compounded return of 50% in the last 3 years. A small cap company in the semiconductor and system design industry that has more than 1,600 engineers across India and the USA saw its stock plunge significantly after announcing its Q3 financial year 26 result. The company in context also has a partnership with the world's largest independent semiconductor foundry TSMC. It's a market cap of just 3,744 crore. Moschip Technologies Ltd saw its stock hit an intraday low of $196, which is 9% lower than the previous close of $209, while this company stock has given a compounded return of 50% in the last 3 years. Q3 financial year 2026 result. In the latest quarterly result, the company has seen its revenue from operations increase by 18% YoY from $126 crore in Q3 financial year 25 to $149 crore in Q3 financial year 26, while the QoQ increased by only 2% from $146 crore. Talking about the net profit, the company saw this number fall by 63%, going from 11 crore in Q3 financial year 25 to 4 crore in Q3 financial year 26, while the QoQ decreased by 66% from Q2 financial year 26 to 12 crore. In 9M number of the fiscal year, the company saw its revenue from operation increased by 30% YoY from 332 crore in 9M FY 2025 to 431 crore in 9M FY 26. The net profit for the same period grew by 12.5%, going from 24 crore to 27 crore. The company has a 3-year sale curve of 27%, while the 3-year is at 39%. The company's 3-year profit CAGR is 73%, while the 3-year number is at 6%. The company has ROS of 12% and ROE